I've seen a lot of people with कुछ करने से पहले they'll already declare it कि ये तो मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा. This is impossible, right? It's very weird. It's very funny because when you're declaring this कि यार ये तो नहीं हो पाएगा तो नहीं हो पाएगा. When you already have declared कि जो तुम चीज़ करने वाले, it could be literally anything. It could be literally one single push-up. But if you have declared and you have believed कि यार नहीं हो पाएगा तो of course नहीं हो पाएगा. अगर पहले 10% चांस भी थी ना कि हो सकता है कि शायद कहीं ना कहीं कैसे ना कैसे एड्रेनलिन से बहुत सारी ताकत दबा के एक पुशअप हो जाए, अब तुमने वो भी डिक्लाइन कर दिया, तुमने उसको भी मना कर दिया, नहीं 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 मुझे नहीं चाहिए, नहीं हो पाएगा. You won't even try to hit that push-up. A lot of people does this that I've seen, and honestly this is so stupid because as a human there's nothing impossible in the entire universe for you to do. Nothing impossible. If you are determined, if you really are extremely determined, extremely focused, you can make wonders happen. जिन लोगों को हम aspire करते हैं, it's such a funny thing. I've said this a lot of time in a lot of videos. जिन लोगों को हम aspire करते हैं ना कि यार ये inspiration है मेरी. I mean, this is such a role model for me. वो लोग भी तो इंसान ही हैं. They are not like some different beings, are they? No, they are also humans. They also had a similar childhood. They also have eyes. They also have eyes. They also have perception. The same perception and the same eyes that you have of the world. So what did they do different that you couldn't do? They were determined. Tiger Woods, golf में, he was determined. Michael Phelps, swimming में, he was determined. Michael Jordan, LeBron James, basketball में, they were determined. You can be LeBron James. You can be exactly like LeBron James, if not even better. All that takes is determination and focus. All that takes is your hard work and your practice. LeBron James, Michael Jordan, they're not some aliens, man. They're also humans. The same human that you are, the same human that I am. What did they do different? They were determined. They were focused. They were ready to go as hard as they need to in practice if that means that they can achieve a higher goal. That's all they did, right? There were people who told them कि यार ये तो impossible है. But they made the impossible possible. At the end of the day, they are also humans. You can sit and think, यार मैं कैसे कभी NBA में जाऊंगा, ये तो इम्पॉसिबल बात है, मैं तो एक सीधा साधा लड़का हूँ यहाँ इंडिया का रहने वाला, क्या क्या बात कर रहा है यार तू. There's literally nothing impossible in the entire world. You can play basketball as good as Michael Jordan, if not even better. Of course, it will take much more practice, much more determination, much more hard work, but you can do it. Eventually, at the end of the day, you're also the same human that Michael Jordan is. You both people come from the same species of animal. You can कोई और एथलीट का नाम याद दिलाओ यार. You can play football as good as Ronaldo or Messi. They're also the same humans that you are. What's the difference? That they were determined, that they did the hard work and you did not. If you can just put your mind to something, you can be the best at it. You can be the best football player in the entire world. You can be the best anything in the entire world. What that requires is your determination, your hard work. Eventually, you are the same person, you are the same human that the winner is. तुम्हें फुटबॉल में कुछ बढ़िया करना है, रोनाल्डो भी तो इंसान ही है, तुम भी इंसान ही हो. रोनाल्डो एलियन थोड़ी ना है. बास्केटबॉल में कुछ करना है, माइकल जॉर्डन एलियन थोड़ी ना है. स्विमिंग में माइकल फेल्प्स एलियन थोड़ी ना है. गोल्फ में टाइगर वुड्स एलियन थोड़ी ना. दे ऑल आर द सेम ह्यूमंस दैट यू आर. All they did was they were determined for something, and they put immense hard work into something. They put immense hard work into something to the point that they reached points beyond failure, beyond the failure of their body, you know. I'm not talking about the failure, I'm talking about the failure in terms of exercise failure. They reached beyond failure, they practiced beyond failure. That's what they had to do. But eventually, you are the same person, they are the same person, they are the same human being, you are the same human being. You can also achieve the same goals that they achieved, if not even more. All it takes is determination. There is nothing impossible in the world. Why do you always, बहुत लोगों को देखा है मैंने, कुछ 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 टास्क दे दो, कुछ चैलेंज दे दो. Like a lot of the times I am amongst my friends, कोई बोलेगा 50 पुशअप मार के दिखा, नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा, नहीं हो पाएगा. What नहीं हो पाएगा? At least give it a try. Maybe you lose, maybe तुमसे maximum 20 हो पाए, but at least give it a try before making a perception about yourself कि भाई नहीं हो पाएगा ये तो. मुझसे अगर तो मुझे बोलो 50 पुशअप मार, मेरे दिमाग में डाउट तो होएगा यार. लास्ट टाइम जब मैंने मारे थे, मैंने 30 ही मारे थे. 30 से ज़्यादा लग पाएंगे? डाउट है. बट डू आई एडमिट टू द डाउट कि हाँ यार 30 से तो ज़्यादा नहीं लग पाएंगे, लास्ट टाइम 30 मारे थे, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं मार पाऊंगा मैं, नहीं नहीं 50 नहीं हो पाएगा? या डू आई इवन डाउट द डाउट कि लास्ट टाइम 30 मारे थे, बट वॉट इफ आई कैन put my absolute best possible and still hit 50? It's only a matter of 20 more push-ups, right? Let's give it a try. When you doubt that doubt, that's what I'm really trying to put into you. Stop having perceptions before doing something, before doing any task, before accepting any challenge कि यार ये तो हो ही नहीं पाएगा. हो पाएगा. I recently saw a video of a very small kid, like 4-5 years old, garden में, you know, the playground, एक टायर को वो फ्लिप करने की कोशिश करता है. एक टायर को फ्लिप करने की कोशिश करता है. टायर, दैट्स हैवी भाई. एंड अगर उसके मम्मी होती, पापा होता, भाई बहन होते, बड़े, कोई भी बड़ा होता वहाँ पे, वो कहता बेटा नहीं हो पाएगा, इट्स टू हैवी फॉर योर बॉडी, योर एज, योर हाइट, योर एज. बेसिकली 4-5 साल का बच्चा कहाँ टायर फ्लिप करेगा? एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द ट्रैक्टर काइंड ऑफ अ टायर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट अ बेसिक टायर जो प्ले ग्राउंड में पड़े होते हैं कुछ. बट इट्स स्टिल हैवी, स्पेशली फॉर अ 4-5 year old. ऑफ कोर्स इट्स हैवी. एंड ही स्टिल ट्राइंग टू फ्लिप इट, क्योंकि कोई उसे बताने के लिए था ही नहीं कि इट्स इम्पॉसिबल. कोई उसे बताने के लिए था ही नहीं कि इट्स टू मच फॉर योर एज, टू मच फॉर योर बॉडी टू हैंडल. बेटा स्टॉप डूइंग दैट बेटा, इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं, बड़े होकर ट्राई करना. नहीं, nobody was there to tell him that. And so he tries and tries, he fails once, he fails twice, and then he flips the tire fully. What does that tell you? When there's nobody to remind you that something is impossible, you can still get that thing done. There was nobody to tell that kid कि ये काम impossible है. And so he did it. Had he known कि कोई उसे record कर रहा होगा and he would be viral on internet? No. Had he known कि even lifting a tire is still quite heavy for a person who's older than him? No. All he wanted was to flip that tire. वेला था बच्चा, और कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. ये पलट दो, पलट दिया. All you have to do is believe that you can do it. Stop having these predetermined thoughts कि नहीं ये तो पक्का नहीं हो पाएगा, ये भी पक्का नहीं हो पाएगा. क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? पहले कभी नहीं करा. पहले कभी नहीं करा इसका मतलब ये थोड़ा ना नहीं हो पाएगा, right? Stop having predetermined negative thoughts about yourself that don't benefit you. You can and you will. There's nothing impossible in this entire universe. Literally nothing impossible. Nothing. I really hope this video finds the right person. Goodbye. Jai Shri Krishna.